The Tundra finally has got some new wheels and tires. Welcome back everyone. I hope you guys are all staying healthy and safe. Now, as you guys may know, in the last video I installed a leveling kit on my 2022 TRD Offroad Tundra. It's nicely leveled and it was time to do some new wheels and tires, and I decided to go with some fuel wheels. These are the new variants in a matte bronze. Now I decided to go with a 17-inch wheel because I just like a smaller wheel with a big tire, and a 17 is the smallest that we can do on these 22 Tundras. I decided to go with a 17x9. This is a +1mm offset, which actually pushes the wheel out and gives us about 2 inches of poke. And I just love the way that this truck looks. I feel like the stance on it is phenomenal. Got the tire wrapped in a AM tire, the Terrain Attack ATA, in a 315/70/17. Now this ends up being about a 34 1/3 of an inch tire, so it's not quite a 35, it's not 34, it's just in between. And in my opinion, the stance is perfect on the truck, you know, with the aggressive wheel, with this tire, and most importantly, there is no rubbing. So all I had to do is pin back the little fender liner and everything else looks great. This is my first set of AM tires that I've ran on any of my vehicles, and so far I have been super stoked on them. These things are actually incredibly light. My fuel economy hasn't been affected at all with this new setup, which is a little bit surprising. Ride quality still the same, just like OEM, so I'm super stoked on it. Aside from the wheels and tires, I also went through and debadged the entire truck. We removed all the chrome by just wrapping the door handles, the window trim, and the front grille piece. You know, so far I am liking it better than the chrome pieces, and you know, well, it's not chrome, it's like different like shades of silver and chrome and brushed aluminum on the truck. So got rid of all that. I like it better, but I'm not sure if I'm in love with it. I do believe that, you know, color matching everything will be the money move on the truck. So I mean, short video for you guys, you know, just a quick update on the Tundra. So, you know, it's leveled, we've got, you know, wheels and tires on it, it's de-chromed. So let me know what you guys think about the build so far. Also, if you haven't already, you know, subscribe to the channel, as I will be releasing a lot more videos on this piece right here. Look how sad he is, because most of you guys that watch the videos don't subscribe to us, even though you guys are coming back and watching all of our content. Just, you know, show us some love, please.